Hey, markets above yesterday's range, but like Nvidia is like inside the range. It's kind of a strange situation. PLCR is up at yesterday's range, so that could go higher. Look what happened at SPNS, nothing. I think it's a buyout. You see that?
Yeah.
That's how it goes. Oh, AMD looks great. Great for the long side. I'm gonna put this on my. Oh wow. Yeah.
HIMS is coming down.
HIMS coming down, but I kind of want to not trade it if it's inside yesterday's range. Because yesterday's range was kind of narrow too. Kava's going up. Kava had a really nice gap to the downside. It's almost about to retest the 7110. But there's no reason to short it because it's above everything, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It could go to 76. We never know. I don't think it's going to go to 79. Kava, chameleon. Kava, chameleon.
You can do Momo on Insta.
On which one?
IMTA. Oh, PandaView. PandaView looks interesting.
PANW. Oh, yeah, that looks pretty good.
It has a crack in the pre-market.
Yeah.
SMCI coming down.
There's an yeah, you could do a Momo right here. There we go, Momo.
Here's another one. I think you might like a VG. GLBE.
GLBE, what's going on with that? GLBE. GLBE, that's globe. Globe. Oh, yeah. Shock gap right there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that looks good. Shock gap. Looks pretty good. Yeah, there we go. See if we get through this 200 on IMTA. We did a Momo.
Okay.
NW looks pretty good.
Well, Kava is like.
Yeah, I gotta wait for a level 1 to go short on this if it's gonna get extended. But it may just keep going up, you know. That's how it goes sometimes. I like this GLBE and oh. Can't get filled. That's weird. Well, I guess it says I'm in. Guess I'm in.
Okay.
Yeah. The INTA looks great. Hopefully it keeps going down. Hopefully Globe keeps going down too. You take that GLVE with me?
No, I don't trade it. It's open.
Oh, okay.
But it looks
It looks
great.
pretty good. It looks pretty Momo-like.
Yeah. Getting down to support area.
Yeah, let's see if it breaks.
But it has news, I guess, so it could keep going.
Yeah, earnings.
Yeah. Intel looks great.
Intel looks great to the upside?
No, Intel, the INTA.
Oh, INTA, yeah. We're at the 200, so it could bounce right here.
Yeah. It also hit the 20 on the daily.
There we go. Nice move on Globe here. There we go. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. All right, let's see what the next bar does here. All right, we got another move on INTA. Will it keep going? Will it keep going? How about you could do a level 1 on a 2-minute if you really wanted to be aggressive on this as a scout back down to the VWAP.
Who knows? Just keep going.
All right, GLBE might found support. Let's see. I'm trying a level 1 on Kava here, 2-minute time frame. Let's see if I get a nice move back down to VWAP. I look to the left, we're right at resistance, 71.10. We went a little bit over it, but still, it's an area.
Yeah.
DRWV looks great. I'm with the boys.
AMD just keep going.
Oh, AMD keeps going? All right. Got no problem with that. ATNF looks good for a short. Is that shortable? ATNF?
It
actually looks...
Oh no, I don't think it's for ATNF. None to borrow.
Oh. Yeah. None to borrow. It looks pretty good, though. Let's see if it'll still short, if I can still get shorted on this. No. I think that's going to roll over ATNF, unfortunately.
Yeah.
Picking a short on a hood. Let's see if that works. It's inside yesterday's range. Tesla looks good for the long side. And G.
Oh, interesting. Nvidia is not that strong today compared to AMD.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's see, what is NVIDIA doing? Can we short NVIDIA? NVDA. Still above the moving average, but it definitely looks like a consolidation inside yesterday's range, so.
Him is doing with a 3-ball.
What's up?
Him is doing with a 3-ball play.
Yeah. All right, hood's working.
I mean, that's barely any move, man.
What's up?
Hood is barely any move.
Yeah, it's true. Very, very slow.
Ooh, CRWV, man, do it. Only 300% fee, but
I know, right?
it's only down.
It's only 300% fee. It should work. Of course it'll work. It's a 300% fee.
Nike is strong also. Oh, this one looks really good. SAIL.
All right, SAIL. Sale. Yeah, you're right. It's got the gap down. Gap up. Got the 3-bar play to the downside. Pretty nice. Pretty nice.
Also hitting the 20 and the 15 minutes, so maybe not a good idea.
Kava's going for me, which is nice.
Very nice.
Did that level 1 on a 2-minute. Almost took me out. Almost took me out. Now it's back into the green. I'm hoping that we get a little bit better move down here.
Yeah. AMD producing level 1.
All right. I think GLB is slowing down.
Yeah, I see that.
Probably a place to lower the.
I did a special sauce version 2 on AMD.
Okay, nice. What about Pan W? That's beautiful.
I know it's still going down.
That's very nice.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Just got in Walmart short.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I was looking at WMT earlier.
Okay. Give me a quick one on AMD.
Very nice.
Don't want to be greedy, just special sauce. I don't want to hold too long.
Yeah.
Because there's no pattern.
Yeah, exactly. It's just straight up, right?
Yeah.
Hey, watch your PE pull back.
BE.
BE, okay.
Yeah. Oh wow.
Wow, Walmart doesn't look good, but my stock is very tight.
He has a nice pullback thing.
Yep. It should pull back to 44.94.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I would just say 45 even number.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. TA's, I'm gonna probably be done with that one. It's going good, but
Did you guys see a CAVA?
Yeah.
I did, yeah. I'm shorting it.
Okay, good.
I don't know if it's gonna work because it's above the moving averages.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, I have a feeling it won't work. But we'll see. All right, I'm adding to hood. Hopefully that's not a new low failure.
The GLBE, is that my precious? What do you think? Is that a my precious?
GLBE?
Yeah. Or you think it could be a
GLBE Globe. Globe is, I think, is done going down. So I would, yeah, you could take a counter trend trade here. It would be a very quick, I'd be a little bit worried, but.
Good job, Walmart.
Nice.
nice.
I'm in PE.
There we go. There goes hood.
What? Then you go in long or short?
Long.
Long? Okay. I see that.
Very nice. Hood's going for me.
Yes. Globe is nice. There you go. Now that's going.
Yeah, I did that level one earlier. Now then I added to it. Now it's moving in my favor pretty good.
Very nice.
In the wide range bar, so probably should take a partial soon. Into yesterday's low, on the hourly.
Yeah. And I put in order for NDO for a swing. And I I don't know, so I cancel it, and now it just sort of.
Oh jeez.
Stupid Walmart.
GLTR was good for a short. Triggering underneath the 200 here pretty soon.
Your Walmart is in an area where we don't know whether it's gonna go back up or keep going down. So that one is a tough one to call.
Yeah, Walmart is got a level 1 to the downside, but it is above the VWAP.
You know what? Something is wrong with the platform.
Oh,
Oh wow. Check out WBD.
WBD. All right.
Quickly.
Oh, something is wrong with the platform. It in
Oh.
the
Yeah, WBD is looking great. Wow.
What's wrong with the platform?
hold on, guys.
I'm almost up 4R.
Nice.
Almost. If PLTR works for me, then it might do better. But I have a feeling PLTR is not a good short. We'll see. If it gets through the 200, then I'll feel a lot more confident. Let's see if Kava can get down to that level.
Come on, GLBE. Let's go.
Yeah, you did that WBD.
Oh no, I did GLBE.
Oh, okay, nice.
Yeah. This is a nice one. I should have took ASTS.
Okay. Take a look also at what was it? I can't even remember. Oh yeah, it's LEU. ASTS looks really nice.
Yeah.
Got a level 1 on the daily. That's beautiful.
LEU.
LEU, yeah. Okay, here comes Hood. There we go. There we go. All right. All right. Feeling pretty good about this Hood now. I'm up almost 5R now.
Wow.
Nice.
Holy cow, Hood. There we go. PLTR is working for me.
Wow, look at that. Yeah.
ATIL.
I'm gonna try long on Sava here with the moving average.
Kava, right? Yeah. I would do it. It's a little shallow of a pullback, but man, it's pretty full. Okay, 5R. All right, very nice. Okay, exactly 5R for the day.
Nice.
Good job.
Thanks. Yeah, I just want to make one more R unit, and I think I'm going to call it a day. So I need to find a counter trend trade. That's my next trade. Also, Hood looks great now to the downside if it comes back and retests the area that it just broke underneath, that previous bar's low.
Mm.
Oh, you could take a WBD short here, 2 minute, just triggered. Although I don't have much luck on those 2 minute charts.
Yeah, especially when the stock's so strong, right?
Exactly, yeah. It's almost like, I mean, I think as a scalp totally works. Like here it is, it's working. But you have to be so quick. You can't get in late. You have to get the exact moment that it triggers. And then you have to be so quick to get a partial that it becomes really, really tough. It's a hard trade for sure. PLTR looks great. It's working. I took that level 1 there, and then I targeted the 200 moving average, which it got to, and then took a partial, and now it's broken the 200. So now I'm thinking maybe it goes a little lower. Hood's looking great.
Yeah, good. Great.
All right, Hood, level 1, baby. Level 1 on the daily chart. mixing it with a level 1 on my intraday time frame, and then an opening range break. That's how you do it. Combine the two for that extra,
You still in Walmart then?
Oh, I got out.
Wow.
I make only $28 because the platform, something wrong with my platform. And then I know it, and then I got out PE so soon and make $20 on PE.
What's going on with the platform?
AMD level 2.
Yeah. What happened with the platform? What's going on?
Okay, so when I put the stop, they didn't trigger.
Oh.
So I have to cancel and go for like market sell and market buy.
Oh, I've had that happen. Yeah, it's like I've had it happen too in the morning where you press the button and you don't get filled. You're sitting there with the and you have to cancel the order.
Well, we
and then you go to cancel it.
Limit order, whereas we use market order.
Yeah.
And then I was scared. I just pressed market buy and market sell to get rid of the trade.
Yeah, I see what you're getting. Yeah. That Kava's working, GA.
Yeah, Kava, I'm still in that one.
Yeah. I mean, target the prior pivot high. That's probably where they're going to bring the stop up to knock out the shorts. And then maybe it'll keep going like Pony yesterday. Holy cow, remember that?
Yeah. But this one is different though. I mean, I hope it can go like that, but whereas Pony, it has some battle going on earlier,
Yeah.
Oh, market drop, you guys.
Market's dropping?
Not really. Just one.
QQQ. SPY. Except Dow Jones.
Oh. Okay, be careful on Kava. Kava actually looks like it's actually setting up better for a short now with the that level 1 failure.
Yeah. So with GLDE, I got out break even, but now it could be a short. Level 2.
Yeah. And then look at what was it called? Look at WBD. It's still going up. That 2-minute failed basically, like we were saying.
Yeah.
There we go. Come on.
AMD. But too extended, AMD.
Yeah, maybe. Intraday time frame looks pretty good though.
Yep.
But yeah, the daily is like, what the heck? But then again, it keeps going. Oh, PanW. Yeah, you were mentioning that.
Dang, where is it? Where's my PanW? Oh, wow, yeah.
Yeah, breaking underneath that level right there.
So we jump in?
Maybe we can wait for a strong close, but I think it looks pretty bearish. Now, depending on what it's doing. I think Kava might be rolling over here. I tell you one thing, if it gets underneath that pivot, I think it's a good short. Underneath the pivot, but it's got to get there. Let's see. Take a look at some of these ones we got. SSYS. That LEU is working actually pretty good. LEU.
You mentioned that earlier.
INTA is actually looking like it wants to go down again too.
I see. Yeah, same with GLBE. I'm putting an order for GLBE.
Yeah. There we go. Hood's going. Come on, one more bar. There we go. Let's get one more drop on this LEU here.
GLBE previously in.
GLBE. Come on, baby.
Dang, are you still in hood?
Huh?
Yeah.
Nice. Wow.
Yeah. There we go. LUE, come on, baby. A little lower.
Wow, LUE. Dang, good hood.
All right, I'm up 6R for the day.
Oh, wow.
Nice.
All right, keep going, keep it going. See if I can get to 7R. All right, I'm thinking hood is a good area to get out right here, but I don't want to anticipate it. But man, it feels like it should be a good spot to get out, and then look for a pullback. Kava looks good for a short, to be honest, right now.
Yeah.
It's torn around with that low. Yeah, it looks pretty good.
Yeah, my stop is at pivot, and it's unfortunately the price action doesn't seem like it's wanna go up anymore.
Yeah, it looks like it's torn around with that pivot for sure.
Damn,
All right.
back up.
Oh, all right, I'm all out. I'm good. That bottoming tail is enough for me to realize get out. So made about 6R. It's trying to go for 7, but I don't think that LUE is going to go any lower, and I don't think that Hood's going to go any lower for a little while. Kava, I'm just waiting on Kava. If it gets over the high of day, I'm down to go long, and if it gets underneath this pivot and underneath the VWAP, then I'm down to go short. But other than that, just kind of, I think, take it easy and just wait for things to set up. But yeah, Kava looks good. It really does look good for the downside. It's a strong stock, though. I'd be a little worried about it. It certainly does look short, does it? Yeah, it certainly does. It's funny, on my Webull platform, it's at the VWAP, and it's slightly underneath it, whereas on Thinkorswim, the VWAP is below the price. So it's like, which one's right? I wish I could tell you, you know?
Yeah.
But they're both, I guess I just have to just pay attention to the price action here and just wait for it to basically break a pivot. All right. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't short that PAN-W. See what happened? Level 2 breaks and then it shoots right back up, right?
Yeah.
So certain things, I think it's a good idea to wait for a strong close.
Yeah.
Because that'll tell you if it's legit or not, you know? It's like, okay, there's something not right with this one. I'll tell you something. If Hood comes back up and retests the 112.95, that'd be a pretty good short right around there. Oh, Kava's holding.
Let's see how strong it's gonna hold.
Are you still in it long?
I'm still in it long.
Okay. If it gets back up to your entry price, I would consider that a gift from the trading gods.
Yeah.
Get out, break even, and then reassess the situation and only go long now if it gets either above that topping tail that got you in, that, you know, kind of tripped you out.
Yeah.
Or just stay away until it gets out of this channel. That's the way I look at it. If I went long, if it goes against me and it hasn't hit my stop loss, then it comes right back up in like a few bars later to my entry.
Yeah.
I'm probably taking a break-even trade from the trading gods. That's what I call it, a gift from the trading gods, because it's like, you know, they basically showed you that you're not right on the trade, you're not wrong on it, but you're not right, but they're also giving you a chance to just get out, almost break even, and then that way you can then re-enter later. All right. Well, I'm going to close it down now. PLTR still going, dang it. I got out of that just a second ago. That's fine. It is what it is. AMD's really strong going back up. Take a look at EAT. EATE. Sorry, EAT.
Yeah, coming down.
Yeah. Unfortunately, too many bars to the entry, but man, that level 1 worked great. Okay, that's getting kind of extended. Will it continue down? I think this is a good swing trade, to be honest, on Hood to the short side.
Yeah.
New high failure. Perfect new high failure.
May I add to this GL break that?
All right, sounds good.
Watching CC.
Which one?
CC.
DC.
No, CC, double C.
Oh, okay.
Let's see what stocks are doing earnings today after the close. And sometimes a very telling thing. Let's see here. Today after the market closes is Cisco, CSCO, and Core, COHR. Let's take a look at one of those. Oh, market's going back down. CSCO, what does that look like on the daily? Pretty bullish. You could have a green.
Yeah, taking a short on that WBD.
WBD, okay.
Yeah. Probably not much of a move, I don't think.
No, you got the level 1 on the 5 minute.
Yeah.
Nice. Actually great. That's a great setup. Let's count how many bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's exactly per my rules. What time did it trigger? Did it trigger at 10:10 reversal time? Yep. It's not too bad. It'd be better if it went up 2 more bars and triggered at or a little bit more, and then went up and then triggered at 10:30. But you know, You had a chance to get a partial at that down there,
Yeah.
the moving average. So that's pretty good. Well, it looks like the market's trying to basically get back underneath this 20-period moving average. We'll see what happens. I'm going to close down because I'm up 6R. I want to just
Wow.
lock it in. Yeah, lock it in and call it a day.
Did you increase your R yet?
I'm going to do it soon.
Okay, good.
Yeah, I want to try to get my real love. I mean, what I really was hoping, which is not working out as planned. I wanted to make 10R a day for like a week. If I could make 10R a day for a full week, then I would move my risk unit up. You know, but I haven't been able to get 10R a week. I mean, 10R a day. I've had like, 5R, 6R. You know, I think occasionally I had a 10R a day here and there, but it's really tough. And then I had a break-even day. So, I mean, I guess the thing is that I've noticed is, yes, I can trade with smaller risk units, and I can do really well. But, yeah, I just was hoping to have 10R. I look at some of these other guys, like, that are on Instagram and, and they're like, this one guy I follow, he makes like 11R on one trade. And so I'm like, dang, if you can make 11R on one trade, I should at least be able to try to make 10R off of multiple trades. But the problem is I looked at his stop losses are so freaking tight. So of course he's going to make 11R. My stop losses are, are decent size, so that way I can withstand the volatility of things. And there's just no way I'm going to make 11R on one stock unless I can manage it really good, not take a single partial. Like maybe if I had never taken a single partial on Hood, could have been like a 5R trade or something like that. But that's tough, yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, I'm thinking of flipping short Kava, yeah.
Kava, yeah.
Well, that's no. It's in that range.
Let's take a look.
It's in that range.
CAVA. But you got out of it, right? You're out?
I just got out right at that previous candle.
That's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it makes you wonder, why the heck is Kava not going down while the market is obviously this is on its own page.
Yeah.
And, it is at resistance. If you look on the daily chart, it looks like there is resistance there. But the thing is, maybe it's going to chew through that and head up a little higher, to 76. Sometimes these things are really, I think this is the type of stock that gets short sellers really in trouble. They look at the gap, they look at the, whatever it was, the news-wise, and they think to themselves, oh, this has got to be a short. And so they start building a short as it's going up too. And then if it doesn't come back for the rest of the day, it's like, oh my gosh, this can be an account blower. You remember back in the day, you would just short them as they were coming up, right?
No, I mean there are times when I'm down, so I do special sauce thinking this gotta be the top, this gotta be the top. This special sauce every single candle. That's boom.
Yeah, and then it gets really bad,
Yeah.
So
I mean,
I think
luckily it's small loss, but it just add up because I keep trying.
Yeah. it's crazy. There's this guy I follow called Option Insiders, and he'll make like huge amount of money. You know, like I made $5,000 or $20,000 on this trade, and I'm like, whoa. But then he'll post what's great is I love that he'll post the trade so I can see what was the trade. Like, not money-wise, but how good was, the entries and exits. And his entries are always not very good. Like, the thing that he does is he follows the trend. So he'll take a stock that is bullish, and he won't try to short it. He'll look for the stock to break out of a range and then pull back. And once it pulls back, he starts getting in. But the thing is, he anticipates every single time.
Yeah.
And so I've seen every single time he's underwater. So he doesn't say how much he's down on the trade. And he could be down quite a lot. And then what will happen is, when it starts going in his favor, he will basically take partials into the move. Keep in mind, he's trading on a 2-minute too.
Yeah.
And I'll look at his trade and I'm like, so you basically only got like 2 or 3 bars of move on your 2-minute chart. And you're taking a partial into it, celebrating like as if you got this amazing trade. And I'm like, and then you post like you made $20,000. And I'm thinking like, how much were you risking on the trade in the first place? And when it went against you for like that 5 or 10 minutes that you were like sitting in that range, and keep in mind, he gives himself a really wide stop loss, which is smart because that's why he's got such a high win rate.
Yeah.
But I'm like, how much were you down? And like they don't say that. And like for instance, there's a lady on the internet that trades the SPY every day, and she's like always posting like, I made $18,000 and I made this. I'm like, geez. But then I'll look at what's great is you can watch their live trades, which I think is the most beneficial thing. You learn from, like, what are they doing? And she just jumps into a trade when it breaks a level, no matter how many bars it's gone on a 2-minute. It'll be like 5 bars on a 2-minute. I think I've sent you her stuff before. And it'll be like, wait a minute, you're getting in so late on a move, and you're expecting more move, and then it'll go against her. And she'll show her P&L. She'll be down like a good $30,000, and then it'll come back, and then she'll make like $18,000 and be like, "Yeah!" Like, oh my god! And she's a guru, teaching this stuff, and you're like, "Whoa, okay." So yesterday she posted like, "I lost $30,000 or $30-something thousand," and of course she doesn't post when she doesn't post the trade recap, but I know exactly probably what she did. And I'm like, and she calls herself the queen of the pullback because she says, in a joking manner, because she says once she gets in, it always pulls back against her. And I'm thinking like, if you know that, why don't you change your methodology to not jump in after a certain amount of bars? Like, have a criteria. I realize a lot of these traders, their trading is so simple. As far as when the stock breaks support, I short, and when it breaks resistance, I go long. That's their whole entire system. It has nothing to do with like how many candles, has nothing to do with the pattern, has nothing to do with anything. And sometimes they're right on it, and it works great. Sometimes they're horribly wrong. But her system is so basic to that level that she doesn't even know about counting candlesticks. And you're like, how can you call yourself a guru and run a trade room if that's all you're doing? Anybody could do what you're basically posting. Just draw a line over a horizontal line where it breaks support and say that's where you should short. If it was that simple, then people would just make a killing. Just like, oh, whatever. I don't care how many bars went up. I don't care. But and keep it. And I'm not saying that it doesn't work. I do think that system will work here and there, but I don't think it's going to work when I don't know how you can make a living off of that, because I feel like there are times it's going to work and you're going to do good, and then there's times that it's not going to work and you're going to do maybe even worse because you don't have a stop loss. So I have no idea how she runs a room. And all she trades is the SPY, the SPY every day. It's like, why would anyone?
You can only trade one stock or two stock. Why we paying for that room?
Exactly. That's what I don't get, and makes me. And remember how they say like 90% of traders fail? It kind of makes sense now because it's like if people are that dumb to like be like, I want to go and join this room and pay $130 or whatever it is, $200 and something a month to this lady that's just going to trade the SPY every day. And I can't do it myself. I can't realize where good entries are myself, just honest. And I have to watch this lady every single day. Then yeah, it must be that traders will fail because it's like, and her system is that simple. She just buys a break of a level and a short of a level, and it's like you can't put a line on a chart and see that there's a level that something rejected from, and when it gets over that level, you're gonna do the same thing as her. It's like no way. Hey buddy, hi Dion. Yeah. Anyway, it makes sense now why traders fail, man. That's like crazy. Anyway, that guy Joshua Silvetti from HPT Cross, I think he's a great trader. He brings up lots of great points on his methodology. He only takes RBIs, red bars ignored, or GBIs, green bar ignored.
Yeah.
He goes in the alignment of the 20-period moving average. He waits for a cross. I mean, he kills it every day. He's got good risk management. He does trade the SPY and Tesla, and that's the only thing he trades. So that's why I would never join his room. But I think the videos he puts out are really educational. Like, he started saying that every time he gets an RBI or a GBI, he'll draw a box over that area and extend it to the right of the chart. And he says now what he's going to do is he calls that area, that box that created, if it keeps going from that area, so let's say you're shorting and that you get this green bar or GBI and then it drops three or four bars from your entry, that area that it dropped from, that GBI, is now an area of value. He calls it an area of value, which is like, hey, that's my terminology. So now he calls it an area of value, and he says that if the stock gets back up into that area of value where it got rejected from earlier with the GBI, he's going to look to see if it gives him another GBI in that same exact spot. Or not in the same exact spot, but in that general area, either slightly below it or, And he says, and the cool thing about that area of value, if the stock gets above that area of value, he no longer wants to be bearish on the stock. I was like, these are great, methodology. That's awesome. So, anyway. All right, guys, I will talk to you later.
Okay, guys.
Have a wonderful day.
Alright, take care, guys.
All right, take care. How you doing, TA?
I was slightly break even, so
Okay.
I was up 1 hour and then just give it all back, unfortunately.
Oh, damn. How's Kava doing? Let's see.
Sideways.
Sideways, okay. So, yeah, the trading gods is a good spot. Did you get out at break even?
Slight loss, small loss.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's my management rule. It really helps me out.
Yeah.
It does look like it's setting up for a short, but also at the same time, it could break over the high of day and go long.
Yeah.
I guess we'll see. Once that 20 catches up to price,
yeah.
I got an alert set in my phone here to let me know when it gets underneath all this support here. And if that gets underneath the 20, then that's it.
Yeah, that's...
Market's going down?
Yeah, that's where some of my longer work.
Oh, yeah, look at that. Ooh.
Yeah.
Very nice. Let's see what happened to Hood if I got out way too soon. It wasn't bad. Wasn't a bad exit. I think Hood's trying to build up some supply here before it heads down for another leg. So I'll wait. Let's see what happened to PLTR. I got out of PLTR a little too soon. Let's see if it keeps going. Oh, yeah, that was a mistake. I could have had like 2 more bars. All right. Well. Alrighty. Oh my gosh, look at INTC. It is not giving up. It wants to go higher. This looks like a good swing trade.
Well, yeah.
If you look at the weekly time frame, the only thing that's making me not want to do it is there's a weekly, it's above the 20-period moving average now, but the 20-period moving average is flat. And then the weekly Yeah, so I guess I want to see it above these pivots before I really tackle it. I think there's a chance it just goes sideways. All right. Let's see what happened to Pony from yesterday. Pony, oh wow, Pony looks like it's setting up for a long too. What happened to Microsoft? Remember we were talking about that yesterday. MS.
I'm up on the swing trade at the moment. Oh no, never mind. I'm kind of down $3.
Okay. Let's take a look also at UNH, because that UNH got to that 20 per moving average yesterday. Oh, it broke the 20. So
let's see if it can close.
Yeah, if it can close and then do a little pullback in that 820 cross, I will definitely be interested in going long on that. I didn't want to go long into the 20, so I was a little hesitant on that. But I think the setup looks good. If you look at the weekly time frame, looks like a new low failure on the weekly. So, alrighty, man. Well, I will talk to you later.
Alright, take care.
Alright, you too. Take care.